Have you ever spent hours designing slides, aligning text boxes, and searching for the perfect visuals for your presentation? We've all been there. Creating a great PowerPoint used to take time, effort, and design skills. But now, artificial intelligence can do most of that work for you. In this video, we're going to explore the best AI tools to create stunning PowerPoint presentations in 2025. These tools don't just help you design better, they can generate entire slide decks automatically, based on your topic, tone, and audience. Whether you're a student, professional, teacher, or entrepreneur, these AI presentation tools will save you hours while helping you look like a design expert. Stay tuned until the end, because the last tool in this list is something that even professional speakers and corporate teams are now using for next-level presentations. Let's begin. One of the most powerful AI tools right now is Beautiful.ai. This platform uses artificial intelligence to design professional-looking slides automatically. You simply add your content, the AI handles the layout, alignment, and design consistency. It ensures every slide looks clean and balanced, no matter how much information you include. You can choose from dozens of modern templates, and the AI instantly adapts colors, icons, and shapes to match your theme. It even recommends slide layouts depending on what type of content you're adding, whether it's data, comparisons, or timelines. It's like having a full-time presentation designer working for you, powered entirely by AI. Next, let's talk about Tome AI, a tool that's redefining how people think about presentations. Tome doesn't just make slides, it helps you tell a story. You can type a prompt like, "Create a 10-slide presentation about the future of AI in education," and Tome will generate an entire deck with text, visuals, and structure within seconds. It can even include AI-generated images and charts to make your slides more engaging. What's really impressive about Tome is how natural it feels. It's not just copying and pasting information, it understands the narrative flow of a good presentation. So, instead of spending hours researching, writing, and designing, you can have a ready-to-present deck in just a few minutes. Another great tool that deserves attention is BeautifulSlides AI, an AI-powered extension designed specifically for PowerPoint users. You can integrate it directly with Microsoft PowerPoint. Type in your topic, and the AI will generate professionally formatted slides right inside your file. It can also rewrite your content to make it sound more confident, professional, or persuasive. If you already use PowerPoint but want AI to do the heavy lifting, BeautifulSlides is a perfect choice. So far, we've seen tools that can create presentations automatically and even design them for you. But the next two tools in this list go even further. They bring interactivity, storytelling, and visual intelligence into your slides like never before. Let's move to the next section, where we'll talk about two cutting-edge AI presentation creators that are changing the way we communicate ideas in 2025. Another remarkable AI tool that's making a lot of noise in 2025 is Gamma.app. It takes presentation creation to a completely new level by combining speed, style, and storytelling power. Gamma doesn't use traditional slides instead. It creates flexible cards that feel more dynamic and modern than PowerPoint. You can start by entering a topic or even pasting your notes, and the AI instantly builds an entire visual presentation around your content. What sets Gamma apart is how it focuses on clarity and simplicity. The tool automatically adjusts text size, colors, and spacing so that every part of your presentation looks balanced and professional. You don't have to worry about formatting. Gamma, SCRE, does all of that for you. It even generates relevant visuals, icons, and layouts to make your message more impactful. For people who present ideas regularly, teachers, business owners, or marketers, Gamma is a massive time saver. And because it's web-based, you can share your presentations as links instead of heavy PowerPoint files, making it perfect for remote work or online classes. Another tool worth exploring is Simplified AI Presentation Maker. This one is built for creators who love visuals, speed, and ease of use. You can just type a short prompt like, "Create a presentation about AI in healthcare," and Simplified will generate an entire set of polished slides in seconds. It uses templates, smart layouts, and AI-written content that you can tweak however you like. What makes Simplified stand out is its design quality. Every slide looks like it was made by a professional designer. It's great for business pitches, startup ideas, educational projects, and even YouTube scripts. The platform also connects with its built-in AI image generator, so you can instantly add custom visuals or illustrations that match your theme. You can export your final deck as a PowerPoint, PDF, or share it online. When you compare all these tools, you'll notice something interesting. AI isn't just automating presentation design, it's changing how we communicate ideas. Instead of focusing on fonts, colors, and alignment, you can now focus on the message itself. The AI takes care of everything else. Whether you're creating a business pitch, school project, or training session, these tools give you a professional-looking presentation in minutes. Artificial intelligence has made presentations faster, cleaner, and more engaging. But the real magic happens when you combine your creativity with AI's efficiency. These tools don't replace human ideas, they amplify them. They take your thoughts and transform them into visuals that truly connect with your audience. So, which of these AI tools do you think you'll try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what your favorite AI presentation maker is. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates on the latest AI tools and technologies. Artificial intelligence is evolving fast, and new tools are launching every month. Here on this channel, we'll keep you ahead of the curve, bringing you the best AI software to help you work smarter, create faster, and present your ideas more powerfully than ever before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we explore how AI is transforming creativity and productivity in 2025.